we're now diving here in Anilao, and we're right in front of Ligpo Island. And the reason why we're here is because wala ka bang trabaho ngayon, Major?
Actually,
Military itong aking kasama eh. Nagbabakasyon eh.
actually, this is both. This is a fun dive and training. Of course, I'm training with the best because
Okay.
I'm
Hindi
also.
naman, hindi naman the best. The cheapest.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
You know, it's actually a Monday right now, and we're so lucky that solo namin ang buong Anilao. Walang katao-tao. Kaya kayo, pag gusto nyo mag-dive, kailangan weekday. Walang traffic. Walang traffic sa ilalim ng dagat. And you are Major Rafi Dumlao.
Yes, I am.
Okay, what do you do for the military, Major?
Actually, I'm a legal officer of the Regional Police Office 3.
Uy, abogado.
Yes. And I'm also a member of the search and rescue team of the Regional Mobile Group
Aha.
of Region 3 also, under the auspices of Colonel Bob Aligayu.
Okay, gusto kong tanong sa'yo, bakit mo naisipan mag-dive, Mr. Major Attorney? Dami pangalan, Major na, Attorney pa.
Well, it's the diversity. We've been having a lot of training up and down, but I think being down has a lot of the ocean has a lot to offer.
I
And
see.
You can see better there.
Okay, basta sabihin mo sa military, lalo sa inyo, pag nagda-dive kayo, kailangan maging basurero kayo. Scuba surero. ang
Scuba
pangalan.
surero.
Yan.
Chief and
Hindi
team.
lang kayo nagda-dive. Pag may nakita kayong dumi, pinupulot. Alam mo, dapat linisin natin ang karagatan eh. Kasi pag naging diver ka, automatically you become an environmentalist.
Exactly.
Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready to get wet?
I am.
Show me the sign. Yan, all right. Kompleto lahat ha?
Aha.
Nag-body check ka na?
Checked everything.
Checked everything. All right, let's go scuba diving.